Bangon na dihan nak, unsa nang orasa, mangandam pa ka mo ato eskwelahan. O sige, ariyo niya ha, kay mga unsa tag-una. Man ako gluto. Pagkarong kay gid eskwela na kay puhon-puhon makahuman ka na makapalit sa katanan sa mga gusto nimo paliton. Kung ayaw gud pagkuan pagkabuang dapat magmuhuman ka sa mong pag-eskwela. Ano sa ko ma? Sige na, amping ha pagtarong gyud sa imong pag-eskwela o kani baon na nimo na. Sige amping na. Sabay na, gamping nak.
Since we are done discussing the multiplication of fractions, so I have here an example. So, force to solve. Oh, very good, Janessa.
Daray mong sohol ng salamat.
Congratulations, our consistent first honor, Janessa Bayubay. Congratulations, perfect again.
Salamat, Day. Una po din na. Sige, Day.
Congratulations for being an honor student over and over again.
Let us all welcome the valedictorian of Class 2025, Janessa Bayubay.
Fellow students, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and honored guests. Today, as we celebrate our accomplishments and look towards the future, I want to share a reflection that goes beyond textbooks and test scores. My journey to this moment, standing here as valedictorian, is inextricably linked to the unwavering dedication and tireless work of my mother. She's not a politician, a celebrity, or a renowned scientist. She's a woman who wakes before dawn, works long hours, and still finds the energy to support my dreams. She's a testament to the unsung heroes among us, the mothers who work tirelessly to provide for their families, often sacrificing for their own aspirations to ensure their children's success. As we embark on the next chapter for our lives, let us carry with us the lessons learned, not just from our studies, but from the inspiring example set by those who love us unconditionally. Let us strive to make a positive impact in the world, mirroring the education and hard work of those who have shaped us. Congratulations, Class of 2025.
Smile na! Happy graduation! Pagkaroon different na, karoon mo, ka na.
Hi, Ma. It's been 5 years. I hope you're with me. Natupad na nako ang atong pangandoy sa una, Ma. To become a teacher. I teach them not just arithmetic and grammar, but resilience, hope, and the better knowledge that even the brightest stars eventually fade. I'm happy now, Ma, and I know ikaw po. I miss you, Ma.